Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals not loading or stuck on loading screen. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing you do here is you want to make sure to verify the integrity of your files. So in order for you to do that, you need to open up the Steam here. So if you have Marvel Rivals installed in your Steam, you want to go ahead and go to your library here. You want to go to Marvel Rivals. You want to right click on it and you want to go to properties. Now, in here, you want to go to install files and you want to go and click on the verify integrity of game files. Now, this will actually check or compare the files you already have on your PC with the server files. So, meaning it will check if there are going to be some differences with the files you already have, and it will fix or automatically fix anything that is wrong. Now, in this case, go ahead and do that. So it might take quite some time here. It's like downloading the game again. But in this case, just wait for it. And once the verification is complete, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure to update your GPU to the latest version. Now, depending on what you have, so if you have AMD or NVIDIA, you want to go ahead and install the corresponding driver for that. But in this case, I have NVIDIA, so I have NVIDIA open up in here. You want to go to drivers. And in here, if you do see any download option here or any update button, you want to go ahead and click on it because usually this will actually contain any updates for recently released games. So as you can see right now, Marvel Rivals is part of the update that I'll be starting later on my PC. But in this case, just update your GPU and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you can do here is to basically just reinstall the actual game. Sometimes there might be problems with the installation itself, so installing and reinstalling it again can help you a lot here. So you want to go to your Steam library here, want to right click on it, you want to go ahead and basically go to manage, click on uninstall and reinstall it again, and once you've installed it again, restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. And finally, the last thing that you need to do here is you want to check for the system requirements for Marvel Rivals. So typically you could visit this going to their store page and just basically scrolling down a bit here, and you should be able to see the system requirements section, which in this case you have your minimum and recommended here. So I would suggest you get the recommended option here just to make just to be on the safe side. But if you still meet the minimum option or requirements here, you should be good. But if you do not, then in this case that might be the cause of the problem. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.